Hi guys, and welcome to another video on the NarcosFX YouTube channel. So in this video I want to talk about 3 pairs that will change your trading career for life. So stick with me until the end of the video. While you at it, like and subscribe. So first up, I have got gold XAU USD. So in the past weeks, in the past month, we've seen gold pushing down, making lower highs and lower lows. So recently we've seen gold bouncing off the strong support which held for about 2 times here, 3, and the support held for the 4th time here. So and it bounced up, bounced higher to the resisting trend line, that was to the very strong resisting trend line. So right about now gold just broke above this resistance. I kind of want to see a strong retest and then a push to the upside, but let me show you how I want to see that happen in order to fit to my trading plan. I'm gonna go to 4-hour time frame. As you can see, in a 4-hour time frame, I have got this zone over here that gold has been respecting as a resistance. Touched here this trend line, this horizontal resistance a couple of times, and now the current price action is just playing around this zone. So I'm not interested in taking in any position as long as the price is within this zone. What I want to see, price go a little bit higher from here. I want to see price go a little bit higher, come back to test, make a lower high, and then push even higher. That is when I'm gonna take my buys, because I want to see price giving me a higher that is higher than this one, or roughly this one. A test of this resistance becoming a support, then that is when I'm interested in taking my buys to the upside. That is what I'm looking to do on gold, and if you capitalize on this trade, I'm telling you, it's going to pay you a lot of money. Other than that, I want to see gold coming down. It did touch to retest this trend line correctively, and then that's when I'm going to take my buys to the upside. Other than that, if gold breaks in below, then I'm in for sales. That is the number 1 pair that I want us to look at, that I want us to focus on, and make sure we capitalize on it. Make sure we capitalize on this pair, guys. As long as gold pushes above this resistance, turning into support, will give us very beautiful buying opportunities, at least up to this level, or even more. So I'm gonna move to the second pair, which is out USD. I'm gonna take the Owanda data. Okay, I already have my analysis on this one. I'm just gonna go to a daily time frame just to show you what I'm seeing. Okay, delete that. Only daily you can clearly see we have prices formed a inverse head and shoulder. We have got left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then a push up. Potentially the price can get to this area and then maybe give another left shoulder, right shoulder to the upside, making this a left shoulder, potentially another shoulder here to go higher. But we don't want to get ahead of ourselves. We don't predict the market, we read what the price action is telling us, then capitalize on that. So you can see that the price has broken this downward trend line and pushed higher. So on ooh, damn. Okay, what am I doing? Diving down to 4-hour. Price has already pushed higher. We don't want to take our buys in this area, thinking that the price will shoot up. That is not how we trade. We want price to pull back, and then we take those buys lower to go to the upside. You understand what I'm saying? So that is when I'm gonna mark my zones. For me, this is a very important zone right here, which I take as a neckline. I want my zones to be as small as possible. I just don't like bigger zones. So that is when I'm looking to take my next buys. That is when I'm looking to take my next buys. When the market opens, you want to see out US dollar. Give us a little bit of correction. Take my painting flash. I want to see price correct at least to this area, giving me something more like a bull flag on H1 or 30 minutes, or maybe down to 15 minutes. And that is when I'm going to take my buys to the upside. Be sure to capitalize on this one, guys. Make sure you capitalize on this one to set your buy. You can either buy from here or even lower up to this point. As long as your stop loss is safe around this area, you can take your buys from here all the way to the upside. Be sure to capitalize on this one. This is a very trade. It's highly possible to happen. Other than that, if I see price rallies to the downside and then come back to test, I'm gonna be open for something else. But I'm looking for buys. Make sure you capitalize on buys for this one. Definitely it's gonna change your career. And then the third pair that I'm looking at is NZD USD. And again, same thing that happened on our previous pair. We've seen price has been respecting this downward trend line until it broke out. Kind of gave us a little bit range in price here until it pushed upside. So what you want to do, we know what after after this very strong push to the upside, you want to see a little bit correction, then we take a continuation to the upside. That is what we want to capitalize on. But you don't want to just take our buys anywhere. You want to make the very important levels that price is likely to respect. So for me, this is my neckline. As I said, this has got some sort of a head and shoulder, whatever, man. This has got some sort of a head and shoulder pattern. So price broke out to the neckline. You want to see it pull back to test and then go higher. That is what I want us to capitalize on. So my very important zones here would be this one over here. The reason why I don't extend my zone there is just I don't want to see my zone crossing the charts like this. But it is a very important zone. Let me show you why I say so. You can see how price has been reacting around this area. From here to here, broke down, came back to sales, went down, tested here, went down until it broke this level. So you wanna see price come back to test this, so and then push high. But I'm gonna make my zone very small because I like my zone small. I know at the back of my head that this is a very important. This is a very big and important zone. If the price happens to turn, maybe come back to this area and then reject, I'm open to take my buys because I know this is a very big zone. That is why I make my zone small. But at the back of my head, I know what's happening around this area. Another area that you can look for your buys will be this one here. Price, as long as the price pulls back correctively, then you know the next impulsive move is gonna be to the upside. Be sure to capitalize on that move as well. Be sure to capitalize on that one as well. So this would be another area I will be looking to take my buys. My longs position tool over here. targeting at least this high. To see how important this zone is, this level is. Targeting at least that high, which is a very nice risk to reward. 1:5. My first take profit target will be this one. When the price gets to this area, I'm partially out, and then I leave the rest of my position running until I hit the take profit. Be sure to capitalize on this in this trade, guys. Another thing that I'm noticing is this trend line over here. I'm gonna read this one back. As long as price does not break below my upper trend line, then I'm safe. Proof to the upside. So be sure to capitalize on these 3 trades, guys. Make sure you capitalize on these 2 trades. That is what I'm looking for this coming week. So yeah, that's it. And if you're new again to the channel, please like and subscribe, like, comment and subscribe. Peace and love.